Hi.
So this is our new Halloween one. This is for my class. This is a class video. So if you like this video, we're gonna start. So my daddy's gonna cut this open and we're gonna make a jack-o'-lantern.
Yeah, but before that, let me ask you this, Lluvia. When you look at this, what color is it?
Orange.
Orange, huh? And what kind of shape is it, do you think?
Circle.
Like a circle, huh? And if you feel it?
Feels like bumpy with a little bit of some softness.
Some softness to it, huh?
Yeah.
What does it smell like?
It smells like seasoning.
Like seasoning? She says it smells like seasoning. I don't know if you guys can see this, but Lluvia already drew a carving on there. We're about to cut this baby open, huh?
Yep.
Alright, let me try with this one.
Okay. So everybody, be very careful with knives. Whoa. There he goes.
What do you see?
The stuff coming out.
Yeah. When you think does it sound pretty full?
Yep.
Yeah. Alright.
So this smells like coldness.
Smells like coldness? I think you mean it feels cold.
Yep, it smells cold too.
Smells cold too? And if you hold it?
It feels heavy.
Heavy? Yeah? Who weighs more? You think you weigh more or the pumpkin weighs more?
I think both.
Both? Both of you guys weigh? The
Yeah.
same amount?
Because I'm tall.
Yeah, you are pretty tall. Yeah. And when you're looking at this and when you're smelling it, what are those called? Do you know?
Texture.
Yeah, but what is it? Like when you feel something or when you see something? Or you...
It's pumpkin.
But what are you using? What is it called?
Senses.
Your senses, huh? How many senses do you have?
5.
5? Do you know what they are?
See, hear, smell, taste, touch. See, hear, smell, taste, touch.
Wow.
We use them every day.
That's right. We use them every day for different things, huh?
Yep.
Alright, well, looks like we're almost done with this.
My name's not Lluvia. My name's a baby girl.
My name's Lluvia.
No, my name's baby girl.
Oh.
Snap. Oh, snap. I'm so excited to see you.
What's inside? Ooh. What does that smell like?
Goo.
Smells like goo? How about this? Wait a minute. Let me see. Put your sleeves up.
Let me touch it.
What does it feel like in there?
Gooey.
Gooey? Yeah. What does it smell like in there though? She said it smells like seeds. And it looks like spider webs, I think.
Like Halloween.
Yeah. I think we gotta scoop these out, huh? You gotta scoop it? Yeah,
What? Mommy, remember when you told me? Mommy, remember when you told me that you're gonna bake something with the seeds?
Yep. We'll
Yeah,
snack on them.
Oh.
We'll make them nice and salty.
Oh, there you go. You got a nice scoop right there. Ah!
Yeah! Ew, 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 ew. Ew, no.
Alright, you scoop it.
We're back.
We had a little break, but now we're gonna get started on the face.
Yep. So I'm gonna cut the eye.
There you go. I'm trying to help with this one.
I think I can do it now.
Let me try. Thank you.
Use it with yours.
Try with my ghost one.
I'm gonna do that.
Ooh. What does it look like on the inside? Oh.
Ready?
Yeah. Whoa! There's a gut.
Oh.
No.
What does it look like? Does it look scary?
Yep.
Kind of scary, huh? I'll do the nose real quick.
What does it smell like?
Yeah, what does it smell like?
Guts.
Like guts. It smells like guts. Like human guts or pumpkin guts?
Pumpkin guts. Okay, I'll try to do the nose, Daddy.
This one's a little bit smaller. There you go. She's doing it, guys. She's doing it.
I'm so excited to see what it's gonna form.
Using ours, man. Oh. This is a stubborn pumpkin.
How many teeth does he have?
I don't know. How many teeth does he have?
Two.
Count them. 1, 2. How many teeth do you have? A lot.
What kind of face is he making? You copy his face like that? Huh? What kind of face is he making, Dad?
So, yep. Here's our jack-o'-lantern, huh?
Yep.
We just need the lights. But,
We didn't have teeth though in our video.
oh my goodness, we forgot you guys' grandmother's teeth. Maybe next time.
Yeah. Maybe next time we can.
Alrighty.
Let's put in the candle.
There's ours. We don't have it right now, but we will get one soon. Yeah, check it out. Dun, 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 dun. What do we say?
Yeah. What's the first thing we said?
Maybe we could say hi to Miss Peralta.
Hi, Miss Peralta.
Thank you for watching our video.
Thank you for watching our video.
Who's Miss Peralta?
My teacher. Give us a like. Alright, see you next time. Alright, bye.
Bye.